Possessive noun. What is possessive noun? A possessive noun is a noun that shows ownership or belonging. Now, what is the meaning of ownership and belonging? Ownership means you own something. Belonging means something belongs to someone. For example, this is Ali's book. This shows that book belongs to Ali. For example, if I say this is Sarah's house. Now, house belongs to Sarah. This shows Sarah's ownership. Singular possessive noun. A singular possessive noun shows that one person, animal, place or thing owns something. Rule for it is that you will add apostrophe s to a singular noun. Again, you will add apostrophe s to a singular noun. Now, we will discuss some example. Ali's book. Here, Ali is a singular noun and then we added apostrophe s and next is book. This is showing that book belongs to Ali. We will say Ali's book. Next we have Sarah's ball. Here ball belongs to Sarah and we have used apostrophe s after Sarah. The cat's tail. Here tails belongs to cat. Our cat owns tail. So here again we have used apostrophe s. The teacher's desk. Here desks belong to teacher. So we have used apostrophe s. So we use apostrophe s for singular possessive noun and it will show possession. For example, here Ali's book, Sarah's ball, the cat's tail, the teacher's desk. Plural possessive noun. A plural possessive noun shows that more than one person, animal, place or thing owns something. Rule for it is, if the plural noun ends in s, then add only apostrophe. Again, if the plural noun ends in s, then add apostrophe. Here we have some example. The girls' classroom. Here girls plural noun and at the end of this word is s. So here to show ownership we will just add apostrophe. The girls apostrophe classroom. It tells us that classroom belongs to girls. The boys football. Again, here is boys and we have added apostrophe which shows that football belongs to boy. The teacher's apostrophe room. Here room belongs to teacher. So we have added apostrophe after teachers. The dog's toys. Here again we have added apostrophe because dogs plural noun and it has s at the end, so we have added apostrophe. There is another rule for plural noun. If we have a plural noun at the end of this plural noun is not s, then we will again add apostrophe s. Here look, the children's toys. Here children is a plural noun but it does not have s at the end, so we added apostrophe s. Next we have the men's jackets. Here men is plural noun, so again we have added apostrophe s. The women's bags. Women is also a plural noun, so again we have added apostrophe s. The people's choice. Here people is a plural noun. So we have again added apostrophe s. Now we look at some sentences. The dog's bone is under the table. Here bones belongs to dog, and as dog is a singular noun, so we have added apostrophe s. In next example, the girls' bags are on the chair. Here bags belongs to girls, but now girls are plural noun. So we have added just apostrophe. In next example, the girls' classroom is very clean. Again, here girls is a plural noun. So again we have added just apostrophe to show that classroom belongs to girls. Hope so you will learn it and enjoy it. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.